Alright, so today we're gonna be installing the license plate holder that's gonna go into where the tow hook should be at the front. So this is the package. I have the plate holder for the plate for the license plate, the thing that's gonna come out of the tow hook hole and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it for you guys. So it should be pretty simple. This part you're gonna screw in the vehicle. This part is where you're gonna attach your hardware. So you're gonna put this down first. Hold on, let me see which one is suitable to go there. I think this one. You're gonna put this one down first. That. No, so this way. So you're gonna put it facing this way. So this could go inside here and this could go inside there. So like this, that, then this, and then you're gonna get your screw, the through here, and then tighten it to here. So when you do it like that, you know it gives you access to move it anywhere you want to move it and tighten it anywhere you want to move it. So for now I'm just going to tighten it in the center. Just going to tighten it in the center. So this is the dope thing I was telling you about. It have 4 holes, so you can hook this up with any of the 4 holes on here and then screw it. So you can put it anywhere you want to put it, in the middle, the end, anywhere. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go outside and attach it to the vehicle. Yeah, so as you can see, I remove my license plate and put it on the windshield. So here's where it's gonna go. And to remove this, you just grab it by here, at the bottom here, and then you just pull it out. But I already take it out already, because this piece is supposed to be in the hole. So I'm gonna measure this to see where I can get the marking. That's gonna come from here, so it can stick out through this, so I won't have a big gap like that for like water and other debris to go in there. So I'm gonna make a hole inside here for it to come out through. I just have to figure out where. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna get the idea of where to mark. I cannot put it on there with something that's gonna leave a indentation when I take it off to give me an idea of where it should mark. So that should be like that. Yeah, so this is how I'm gonna try to figure out somewhere to mark. Try to line it up, pick a spot, and then mark it. So I kind of made the hole here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bore it. Hopefully it's at a good spot. So let's start. Alright, so here goes. I made a mistake, so you guys know how to make it. So I'll just buy a different one. So these are for like 14 bucks, and then I'll make a perfect placement, and then by then I'll just have to cut one hole. So now I'm gonna attach this one back, attach it back, and then just click this into place. Clip it into place, and then just use a 3/4 to tighten it. Water shouldn't do any much damage today because the license plate is going to be covering it anyways. You tighten it with the 3/4, then you're going to put the hardware, fit the hardware on it now. So this is going to be like this. So it's gonna be like this. Put this in there, and then you put the ball part facing inside. So I'm making the mistake, so you guys don't have to make the mistake. So that's how it's gonna be looking on there, and then now you're gonna get the license plate thing, and then fit it wherever on there you wanna fit it, because it has 4 holes here that aligns with the 4 holes on this anywhere. So that's the good thing about this, you can adjust it, because when I had it in the center like this, the license plate was touching the body. So then I loosen it and then put it to the end a bit more like that, and then tighten it, and then now it should be able to fit there easily, just like that. So it comes with some little fine screws, and the bigger ones are for the license plate, and the finer ones are to screw the holder onto the bracket. So when you put in the tow hook inside the vehicle, make sure you center it when you're trying to tighten it. If not, you're gonna end up with a worn threading. So ensure to put it on. Make sure you're tightening it in the proper way. Yeah, so play with it a bit until we find a suitable position for you. This is the one I'm gonna be working with for now. So it's the one I'm gonna be working with. Find a suitable spot and then screw it in place. Yeah, that looks good for now, so that's where I'm gonna put it. I'm just gonna finish putting these rest of screw in, then I'm gonna put the license plate on there. Yeah, so that's it looking. So now, just have to put the license plate on there, and then that's it. Now I'm just gonna put the license plate on there for now, and then here it goes. Alright. Put that on. Yeah, I love the look of it so far. Put that on. Put that on. I just need to buy a cover for it now, and then that should be good. There we go. Clip here. Clip here. Okay. So that's it. That's how it's looking. I remove it from the center to the end. That's how it's looking for now. Yeah, so that's it. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.